Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Sketch and Craft Ideas. You have never seen a drawing like this. I am gonna make Patrick look realistic. This is completely new to me. I am a little scared of what will come out of this. Just bear with me. We are almost there. Just a bit more texture. If you can, rate this from 1 to 69. Now X-ray. This will be so satisfying. I will make it extra special this time. Can you copy link? It helps so much. Wait for it. I promise it will be worth it. Glitch next. This will be my most satisfying video. It's my first time drawing like this. I hope I won't ruin it. Can you copy link? It helps a lot. It's worth waiting. Time for enemy. I had to improvise a bit, but it's so satisfying. Can you copy link this time? I will give you a free. Just wait for it. It will be worth it. So please subscribe, like, share, comments. Thank you so much.